Dear audience, so today we will have a practice quiz for Cisco SMBS 700-250 certification exam, and this quiz is related to module number 9. So what is module number 9? It is about mastering Cisco go-to-market strategies. So the first question is, which element of the Cisco go-to-market strategy is least relevant for reaching the remote SMBs? So the best answer out of these four could be B. Local channel partners are particularly helpful for on-site support, which might be less relevant for remote SMBs. Question number 2 could be, how can the Cisco SMBs have benefit an SMB seeking to improve network security? So the answer could be SMBs have offer resources and information on secure remote network solution. Which marketing tool is most effective for building trust and positive relation with SMB's customer? So the answer could be C. Response customer service directly builds trust and positive relationships. So responsive customers are most important. Fourth, how can digital marketing resources help expand Cisco research to SMBs with a limited IT expertise? So, out of these four, the best answer is educational resources and user friendly demos cater to limit IT expertise. Question number 5. What is the key factor for effectively leveraging digital marketing in Cisco SMB's initiative? So, out of these four, the best answer would be C. Understanding diverse needs and tailoring content for each segment is crucial. So, here is a bonus question for you. Describe one specific feature or service offered by Cisco or your company that help SMBs leverage digital marketing and expand their online presence. Well done, and see you in the next quiz, which is the last for module number 10 SMBS 700-250 exam for Cisco.